It is that time of the year. What period, sir? It is that time where we call you, where we welcome you for enrollments in our flagship 30 days challenging program. Now, this program is carefully curated in order to help you pass your exams in the upcoming session. Now, in this 30 days challenge, we offer you a 30 days planner. Step by step, we guide you how to prepare for your upcoming exam within 30 days, within a manageable time period. You will cover all core areas of your respective subject along with live sessions to support your practice and your your preparation of your exam. Plus, you will be given 24/7 tutor WhatsApp support and our student support as well. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll it right now. Take care.